How to connect Bluetooth headphones to PS5. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PS5. So, the first thing that you can do is to use a Bluetooth audio adapter. So, buy a USB Bluetooth transmitter that supports audio, plug it into one of the USB ports of your PS5, and then put your headphones into pairing mode. Follow the adapter's instruction to pair with your headphones. Now, once it's connected, audio should route through your headphones. Now, if this doesn't work, or if you don't have a Bluetooth audio adapter, another thing you can do is to go ahead and use a Bluetooth adapter via 3.5 mm jack. Get a Bluetooth transmitter with a 3.5 mm plug it into the controller's headphone jack, pair your Bluetooth headphones with the transmitter, and this method may introduce slight audio delay but works for casual gaming. Now, the last option that you have is to use Remote Play on mobile. So, install the PS Remote Play app on your phone or tablet. Connect your Bluetooth headphones to your mobile device and then launch Remote Play and connect to your PS5. You'll hear game audio through your headphones while playing remotely.